Terror, the founder of YarnlyChic. Welcome to the community. Karibuni sana. This is my first official video. I've been planning to do this for forever, but finally we are here and I'm super excited. Thank you so much for those who've already subscribed. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. And today, I just want to basically introduce myself and my brand. It first started in 2019 just as a hobby. I did it on and off because of course, we had the COVID, then we had to go back to school and all that. After I completed campus is when I now really officially started it as a business, making custom orders for different clients. I've done kids outfits, men's pieces, and mostly ladies wear. On this YouTube page, we are going to be discussing a lot about yarn, crochet, crafting, art, painting, everything within the creative space is essentially what we're going to be talking about. And I cannot wait to just get to know each other and build this nice and wonderful community as we create and just express ourselves. What I'm wearing today is a dress from one of my collections called the Binti dress. The collection is called Rebirth. It was a collection of 11 outfits. I was privileged to showcase amongst other designers, and oh my god, I love this collection. And this is a dress I actually wore on that day. It's red. I love the threads going on here. And if you like to make an order, you can always uh, DM me on Instagram. You can chat me in the comment section, or text me on the number that I'll put on the description box. Please do subscribe, click the notification bell, don't miss out.